Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you another primitive way of plowing the field using buffalo. And this is the Barak River. The level of the water has increased after a few days of continuous rain. And this is the view, short view of the paddy field we will be doing today, plowing today. And this is the handmade tool. We will be tying together this to the buffalo to plow the field. In our dialect it's called hapu. And this is how we use the buffalo's energy to plow the field. And this is the primitive way, the best primitive way to plow the field apart from using machines and all. In our dialect it's called zavoju. Ha sa zavai. And in few days it will be ready. The paddy field will be ready for the transplantation. Thế thì hay sơ thế đối số ta lại cho nó số ta bữa ra thế thì hay sơ thế sơ đối số là về bữa ra. This is the view of the paddy fields. Poumai paddy fields. Almost all the paddy fields are getting ready for transplantation. Thank you.